Hello, I'm Riya. I am founder of Scribely. I'm also a writer and personal branding coach. What I do is I help you make unique in the market by talking about 4 C's. I help you gain clarity, confidence, courage, and I also help you with communication skills. So I help students and professionals. I also help women entrepreneurs and I help coaches, mentors, and trainers. I was featured in Forbes in 2020 for providing quality content across the globe. I was featured in 72 plus international newspapers for my work, and I was featured in MTTV India as the Iron Lady of India. And my niche is to make you unique. It is all about how you want people to perceive you in the market. It is all about how you stand unique in the market. It's related to SWOT, which is strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. If you work on these 4 qualities, you can definitely build up your own personal brand and just be authentic and consistent. You'll be good. My unique selling point is my personal brand, which I built up over the years in past 6 years. And what makes me unique is the awards and achievements which I have received, which is from Forbes, from MTTV India, and other international platforms as well. So that makes me unique, and also about my love for writing, my love to be entrepreneur, and my love to build up my own personal brand. Having clarity and courage sets me apart in the market. Storytelling is about sharing your emotional story which you connect with. So there are 3 parts in storytelling. First is what you were, second part is how you developed yourself, and third is your transformation. So you have to talk about the entire journey in storytelling. And when you talk about your entire journey, make sure that you try to connect with your audience by using emotions. So just use few emotions like say sad, happy, love, whatever emotion you want to use, and that would help you connect with your target audience. Talk about your skill sets. If you want to communicate your personal brand, you should focus on what skills you have. You should focus on your education, what education qualifications you have. And lastly, talk about your confidence and courage you have to work with the company, whichever you are attending the interview of. And also talk about yourself, what you would like to do 5 years down the line. So let them know what you're planning for yourself, your personal brand, how you want to grow your brand in the company. So it should not be what you want, it should be what they want to hear from you. So that's what you do for interviews.